So hey guys, today we'll be working the sitting tunnel flip, which some people like to call standing tunnels vortexes, but I'm not a big vortex fan, so I just call them tunnels. So a sitting tunnel flip. My name's Jenin. This is Bull. He's gonna try one. Way to put you on the spot, right?
I don't like this though.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's where we put a mat down. Alright guys, so the sitting tunnel flip looks something like this. Start off with one hand down, 1 foot down, you swing through and pull. So the starting position for the tunnel is the safety position. So imagine that you finished your safety vault, and that's what it is. You're just sitting down. Okay? So that's our starting position. Make sure that the ball of your foot is comfortably on top of a wall, and your fingers are hanging off the edge. You don't want to turn them in reverse because you're blocking forward as well as up. First drill, all we're going to do is find a wall, preferably one that's about shoulder height, and you're going to practice swinging your leg up and getting your hips off of the wall. So, kick up, lift, and I have to remember that before learning this move, I have to know a standing tunnel flip or a side flip. Either one of those works. They're basically the same thing, just traveling forward. So drill 1 is swinging that leg across. You want to swing it up towards your shoulder to get maximum lift. Okay? You're going to be able to push with the hand and the foot as you do your flip, but before we continue, I want to make sure that we have a decent block going forward. So let's push with the ball of our foot in our hand, up and out. So swing up and pull out. And all I want you to do is come off the wall. Get comfortable coming off the wall because you do have to travel forwards. If you're too close to the wall, you have the possibility of scraping your back against the wall or even clipping the wall. So you want to gain that distance.
A tunnel flip, fun.
All right. So the next step towards learning the tunnel flip is get comfortable. Hopefully you have a comfortable mat that you can fall onto. Falling is a very important key to most of these tricks. So you're going to push off and you're going to extend and you're going to lay out. We're going to do a timer to our side. Pull to the side. Okay? Make sure that the mat that you're landing on is nice and cushy so that you don't hurt your shoulder. So, once again, up, block, down. So once you've gotten comfortable with the blocking to the timer, now we're going to pull off the entire trick. And all it is getting your hips over your head. Anytime you do a flip, that's the idea. Your head doesn't want to go down towards the ground because you lose height that way. You want to be able to set and pull through. So, we're up. I'm going to try to pull my leg up as high as I can. Once it goes up, my knee is the one that's doing the work, and then my hips are pulling over my head. I don't want to drop my head down because that would drag me straight to the ground. So it goes up, 1, 2, pull. Pull up, all the way up. Block. There you go.
Okay.
Get the hang of it?
I understand a little better.
Cool. There you go. Got it. So my recommendation for anybody who decides to try this trick is always try it into the pit. Always try it off of something soft. The first time I tried it into a pit, then I tried it off onto a mat, then I took it onto the concrete. And just get comfortable with the idea that you're pushing off of your foot, your hand is staying on the wall, and then you're pulling your hips up, and as your hips are going up, then you push the wall. So try to remember the steps, try to always take it easy when you're doing these new tricks, and remember, progress takes time. So, once again, my name is Jenin, and definitely let us know what you'd like to see, or if you'd like any more tutorials, check us out at pkout.com, and hope to see you guys soon. Thanks.